Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. Our today's topic is nouns number. We shall begin now. Nouns number are divided into two types, singular and plural. Singular number when it shows one person or thing, for example, book, brother, bag, etc. Plural number when it shows more than one person or thing, for example, books, brothers, bags, etc. Numbers in other languages may be of three types, singular number, dual number and plural number. But in English, dual and plural are considered as same. One more thing to know is only countable nouns have plural forms. Now I will tell you some rules of numbers so that you can easily change a noun from singular to plural. Rule number 1 is by adding s or es as a suffix to a noun. For example, bag, bags, boat, boats, fox, foxes. Rule number 2 is by adding es to the words ending with ch, s, ss, x and so on. For example, bench, benches. There are some exceptions also where the word ending with ch does not change into es. Stomach, stomachs, only s will be added. Monarch, monarchs, ox, oxen. En is added to the word ox. Rule number 3. There are some nouns which end in f and fe form their plurals by changing into ves. For example, wife, wives, leaf, leaves. Some exceptions are there. Proof, proofs. It will not change into ves. Roof, roofs. Dwarf, dwarfs and so on. Rule number 4 is noun ending with o make their plural by adding es. For example, mango, mangoes. There are some nouns which end in o but make their plural in a normal way, such as photo, photos, etc. Rule number 5. If a noun ends in y and y has a consonant before it, it will change into ies. For example, city, cities, family, families. But if a noun ends in y and it has a vowel before it, it will change into s only. For example, donkey, donkeys, valley, valleys. Rule number 6 is some nouns change into plural form by changing their inside vowel. For example, goose will become geese and man will become man. However, there are some exceptions such as ox, oxen, child, children. Rule number 7 is noun ending with is will change into es in plural form. For example, basis, basis will change into bases. Diagnosis will become diagnosis. And in the same way, noun ending with on will change into a. For example, phenomenon will become phenomena and criterion will become criteria. There are some exceptional words which are as follows. Stimulus will become stimuli, antenna will become antennae and so on. Rule number 11. When noun is made up of several words, the s is added to the main word. For example, son-in-law, sons-in-law, maid servant, maid servants. There are some rules other than this which are related to singular form and plural form. Firstly, we will discuss about singular form. Number 1 is mathematics, news, politics. These words appear to be plural but always used in singular form. For example, the news is shocking. Second rule is there are some nouns which have same singular and plural form. For example, scenery, furniture, information, these are the words which are always used in singular. For example, all information is noted. As you can see in the notes, our third point is love, anger, beauty are not countable, so they have no plural form. Earlier I have told you that only countable nouns have plural form. For example, love is blind. Number 4 is material nouns such as iron, copper, gold. They are always singular. For example, gold is precious. Paper is made from wood. Now we will discuss about plural form. Scissors, spectacles, clothes, trousers. These are used for single product but always used in plural. For example, my shorts or trousers are faded. Second point is cattle, people. They appear to be singular but they are always used in plural form. For example, the cattle are in the shed. Third point is figures and letters are changed into plural by adding s. For example, 4, fours, q, q's. One more example is add 2 6 and 3 4s and find the total. Last rule related to plural form is there are some words whose singular and plural is same. For example, sheep, fruit, fish, dozen, score. Some examples are the sheep is grazing in the field, the tiger ate several sheep. Fish can be fishes when we are talking about variety of fishes, and fruit can be fruit or fruits. So, I hope that you like the video. For these handwritten notes reflected in the video, please message me in the comment box. I will send you the link. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.